that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.
What's up, uni queens and kings? It's Kiera Unique and I am back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this video is going to be about how you can wax yourself at home and it be affordable. Like, you don't have to pay anybody to do it. You don't have to have anybody do it for you. It's literally a DIY project. So I'm here to share that information with you guys on how I've been staying smoothed and waxed during this quarantine, because I'm sure some of us look like freaking wolves right now. So before we get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and hit the like button on this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the wax kit that I bought. I did buy it off of Amazon. I think it was $30. I'll put the price for sure. But here is the wax kit. It's Femiro, I guess that's how you say it. Home waxing kit. And it comes with those waxing sticks, the wax beads, and then of course the wax warmer itself. I've already used it multiple times and opened it, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see, you know, everything that comes with this. So again, remember, I already used it, and I only use this on myself, so I do double dip when I'm waxing. You're not supposed to do that if you do it for other people, but I'm only waxing myself, not waxing nobody else. So you get these smaller, what are these called? Popsicle sticks to wax with, like for your lip, eyebrow, all that stuff, which I already waxed my lip and brow 2 days ago. I didn't want to do that on the video. Then you get the big popsicle sticks for large areas like your bikini, your legs. Oh, and I use it for my underarms too. So then you get your wax. So you get, each color has a different meaning, like a different part of your body. But I'm gonna be honest, I just use whatever. I've been using the pink one. I want to try the blue one, but I'm trying to use the rest of my pink one up first. So it's going to last me a while. But you get these ones and they all have little smells to them. This is what they look like. So that one's like the clear one. This is the pink one that I'm using today. Black ones. And blue, my favorite color. And then it just comes with instructions and like this little free gift offer. So make sure you click the link down below and purchase this. And no, this video is not sponsored. This is literally, I bought this with my own money because I was, you know, I was tired of razor bumps and I wanted to be waxed, but I didn't want to have to pay somebody to wax me. So let's get into this. So I got the wax warming up right now so I can show you guys how I wax. But this, it gets really messy, honestly. Like, and y'all see all of that stuff on them. But this is the wax kit. It's Femiro, and then it comes with different temperatures. Right now, I just have it approximately at like 210-ish. But you can put it all the way up or off, of course. But we have it on 210 right now. This is what the inside looks like. And as you can see, so yeah, it smells so good. And I have some of the cream one mixed in from there. So it's like the pink and cream, and it does get really messy. So for this video, I'm going to demonstrate waxing my underarms. I won't be doing my bikini on camera. For one, it hurts too bad, and I'd much rather pay somebody to do that. And two, I'm not about to sit here and show y'all my full leg wax. Like, that thing takes forever. So I just got me some Family Dollar baby powder, because that helps when you're waxing. Your skin won't like wax off with the wax, if that makes sense. So basically, and it also keeps the sweat, so it's easier to like grip and grab. And when I show you my armpits, don't judge, okay? I haven't shaved, I haven't waxed them in a month, honestly, with this quarantine. And then we got aloe vera gel. And this is 97.7% pure. And I just got this from Target, and it's actually running out. So I'm going to have to like shake it really hard to get it out. But this is for after you're done waxing. It soothes it and it gets rid of the redness and prevents anything bad. Okay. Here is the before. Yuck. Of my arms. Here's the other side. Y'all, I'm disgusted. So what I'm going to do, and I have a towel on my lap so I can catch the little strings because they get everywhere. So I'm going to take some baby powder, put it in my hand. I should do the baby powder video, but I don't really have anybody to do that with. All right. Let me just put it underneath both arms. So, and I have a top on, y'all. It's just a tube top, so y'all can see. So I just put it underneath my right arm, my left arm as well. So my hair grows downwards, so I apply the wax downwards and then rip it upwards so that it gets it from the root to tip. And this is so, because a lot of people ask, do you think it's better than shaving? And it's so much better than shaving. I think that it's so much better than shaving because, for one, it doesn't leave razor bumps. Waxing also helps keep from getting those dark areas because it like takes off the first layer of dead skin and whatnot. So I honestly think waxing is so much better. My hair takes a long time to grow back normally, even when I use the razor. But when I wax, boy, my hair is gone for life. It's like bald for a break, and I love it. It makes my skin so smooth. So, about to take a pop stick. I'm going to do a large one because, yeah. I'll take me a popsicle stick. I got the wax warmer here beside me. And, oh, wow. It's way... All right, so I'm going to turn it off. Because, look, y'all. It's way... too liquid too liquidy. I'm trying to show y'all, but it's in the plug, so it's kind of hard. But yeah, this is not supposed to happen. It's way too liquidy. So I'm gonna wait until it cools down a bit, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I finally got it to where it should be. Should look more so like that, because like, see, I was like a hunk of it, and then all I do is wrap it like this. And it looks like this. Make sure it's not dripping, and I blow it. Because it won't burn me, sweetie. And then this. And it still is kind of hot, but it's okay. And when you see me looking down, I'm just grabbing more wax. This is what I be talking about. Oh my gosh. And then you just have to let it dry. And once it dries, I'll show you what I do. Because right now, look. It's still kind of sticky, but it's hard. So now, ouch, this is about to hurt. Press it down so that it's like gripping the hairs. Yeah, hear it. It's ready. So then I just, ooh. So then I just, y'all, I can't even talk straight into it. I can't even talk straight and do this. So do not laugh at my facial expressions, the way I'm slurred, talking, nothing, because this shit makes me feel. I'm trying to get it like a straight line because I'm not trying to go over top of anything if I don't have to. Okay. Child. Woo. Woo. Look at this. So I'm gonna go over it one more time. Then I'm gonna do the same to the other arm. All right, those are the last little bit that I was trying to get. Now, smooth like a baby bottom. I just gotta get those little pieces off, but it's nothing. All right, about to do the other side now. All right, so I'm running out of wax. To put some more in there, some wax beads. And I'm just gonna literally, let me turn it on first. I'm literally just going to pour them in. And they will melt into some wax. That, my dear, is how you get clean, smooth armpits. And again, you want to make sure you're doing this with clean armpits. I'm not even being funny. I got fresh out of the shower and then I did mine. Don't put any deodorant or anything like that. That's why I did the baby powder to keep the sweat and like any products or anything like that to be absorbed, so you get the best results. But this is my pits, okay? She is a smooth, period. And then you got to get all of these off. They said that you could use coconut oil, but with this quarantine, I don't got no coconut oil, so that's not happening. So I'm just pick them off. But y'all, wax is everywhere. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope it's beneficial to you during this quarantine. Get yourself busy. Shit, might even become into an esthetician and do waxing services. Y'all should do it, period, now that you have this knowledge. I hope you guys take this and run with it and get them bushes touched up, because I know they a bush. No excuse. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can become a part of Beauty Gang. Until next time.